Well, Beyerdynamic has entered the work from home movement. Well, can we really call it a movement anymore? It's more of a lifestyle or a way of life. It's what we do in 2022. You see what I did there? No, for real, man. Beyerdynamic is coming in hard in the paint with the Beyerdynamic Space personal speakerphone. I've had a lot of work from home products on this channel, such as some really great webcams. Some of them had like speakerphones built in. Some of them had even 2K, or I don't think there was a 4K, but I know there was a 2K. Some of them had built-in lights. Fantastic products. And I've also had speakerphones, and now we are talking about the Beyerdynamic Space. So you know what? I like what they're doing here with this recyclable box made out of recycled materials, probably, or they just are recyclable. So that's commendable. I wanted to talk about that because as much fun as I have unboxing things and ripping off plastic and stuff, it's good to know that we're saving some turtles and a handful of dolphins. Right from the get-go, you're welcomed with this card that actually shows you the 3 different color options that they have. That's what they're calling a black, or maybe even a charcoal. Then you got that lighter gray, and then you have the aquamarine color. And on the back, I already talked about, you know, the recycling stuff. It looks like they're actually manufacturing their products out of recyclable material. That's good, man. Kudos to Beyerdynamic. Man, this thing is actually kind of pretty. I mean, it's a simple device. It's just a speakerphone, but they made it look good. Look at that. I got the aquamarine one, man. It's kind of like a greenish bluish hue. It's like almost like sea foam. It's just really like zen-like and therapeutic looking. They give you this little pouch that you can slide the speakerphone in. That way you can just kind of carry it wherever you need to go, whether it's to like, I don't know, like a Starbucks or a remote office or something like that. So that's always nice to have a carrying case. Also included in the box is the USB-C to USB-C cable, along with this USB-C to USB-A adapter. I did notice they also put a 1/4-inch screw inlet here. That way you can put it on a tripod or something if you're gonna have like some kind of setup where you just kind of have it, you know, elevated or maybe down. I don't know where you're gonna put this thing on a tripod, but as for me, it just lays on a desk. And I'll be honest with you, man, this is a special gift for my wife because she's got her work from home office, and this perfectly matches the color scheme. I want to take a field trip around this thing. We have a bunch of tiny little holes. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like 4 holes. I wonder if those are actually microphones there. I'm not sure because we have all this stuff going on underneath here. But then on the front of the device, we have your USB input, and then you got an LED, and then your on and off push button right there. On the top of this, let's go ahead and put it up right. You'll see that we have your Bluetooth connectivity touch button right there. Then you got your battery indicator. Then you have a multifunction button with that Beyerdynamic logo. You got your hang up for calls. You got your pick up for calls, and volume up and down. Let's get this thing turned on and get it connected to the phone. You'll see that LED ring we got there. Makes a little chime, and then yeah, it goes into your battery, and then it looks like it has actually gone into pairing mode. Now it ain't nothing to it but to do it. We got to find out 2 things. First of all, does the mic quality actually sound good as a speakerphone, which is its intended use? But since it is like, you know, a speaker in here and it comes from Beyerdynamic, we got to find something out, man. You know what's up, but does it jam though?
No, seriously, everything we just talked about makes me feel so much better.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, it is natural to be nervous. You wouldn't be human if you weren't nervous jumping in. I mean, this is your first foray into, you know, a new way of doing things to build your passive income. It's very exciting.
Oh man, I'm so pumped. I'm playing real life Monopoly, baby. Okay, well,
I think so. I feel like it is.
I think the cards are stacked in my favor then.
Totally.
Okay, all right. Well, I'll wait to hear from you.
Yeah. Okay, sounds good.
All right, have a good one. Thanks.
Great chatting. Bye.
All right, bye-bye. Whoa. I was jamming earlier. Hold up. Let me mute this. Let me mute it. Oh. There we go. Okay. Man, I've been using this thing for a day. And yeah, the day. I started this video yesterday, and I've been trying to buy a house. I'm buying my first rental property. I own a home, and we're deciding to go into real estate. So I'm buying my first rental property, and let me tell you, this stuff is fast. And this is fast and furious business for all you people who are experiencing that. Man, that's why I ain't got no hair right now. I had like 2 little hairs sticking out. Real estate, already took them. Anyhow, I've been using this Beyerdynamic Space, you know, for a lot of my calls because, You know, I don't want to have the, you know, earbuds in or my phone up to my ear. And this thing has worked out great. I have not had one complaint. I actually asked people how I sounded. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and start recording some audio for you. That way you could get a pretty decent feel of what's going to happen when you decide to start using this thing for yourself, because I haven't had a single complaint from any of the people I've talked to. I was just on the phone with Gina for like 45 minutes, my agent and my mentor, and it was a great conversation. No cutouts, no what you say, none of that stuff. So this has been a fantastic piece to have. It came right on time because I had been on the phone a lot. Let me express that to you right now. So as far as like special features, we kind of just talked about what it does as far as the, you know, the touchpad and everything. But I do remember leaving y'all. Oh, by the way, this is the call quality. Let me turn this off now. But I do remember leaving y'all with the number one question. Well, the number one question is, you know, does it work as intended as a speakerphone? And my answer is 1000% yes. The calls are great on both sides of this thing. But the secondary question is, but does it jam though? And that's where we get into this groove song I got right here. Is it, wait, hold on, I got the recorder going. Hold up, let me see here. There we go. All right, let me cut it out. I like this jam though, this little beat. That's full blast right there. Let me turn it down just a little bit, because that's mega loud. If you're sitting at the office or, you know, in your home office or something, you're not gonna have it up that loud because you're trying to work and get some stuff done. So this would be a good, nice ambient. Oh man, I dig this beat right here, man. Okay, I'll tell you what, man. As far as the Beyerdynamic Space, I like the speaker a lot. Great for phone calls, great for getting your jam on when you're not on the phone and you're just doing your emails and stuff like that. And on that note, y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Take it out.